Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Follicular carcinoma, and we're looking at the poor prognostic factors. So it includes the presence of age, so age greater than 50 years. Next is we look at the tumor size. So in case the tumor size is greater than 4 centimeters, then in terms of the high grade tumors, and in terms of the marked vascular invasion, then extrathyroidal invasion. Next is by distance metastasis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.